Filmer went down hard. Lucas Hildreth, he's conquered Iceland. He's conquered the ER, but he hasn't conquered Slammo.
Anytime she goes away.
Morning, young Groms from Baltimore. We are getting our 1 mile walk in right now, and then we're headed out on an epic side quest. All right, young Groms, this is one of the negatives of trying to drive 3 hours to go surf after a 24-hour shift. I accidentally just ended up in like a truck weigh station. I thought I was making an exit, but I got off a little too early. I had a pretty crazy night last night. Kind of every night in Baltimore is crazy, but last night I was the floor doc. And as the floor doc, your job is to take care of the admitted patients. You still kind of spend a lot of time in the trauma resuscitation unit, but we had a case come in that we thought we were gonna have to do a clamshell thoracotomy. That is when you open up someone's chest from the entire left chest, you break through the sternum and the ribs and open up the left chest to look for signs of bleeding and the reason why a person might have died. So hyped to surf right now. It has been over a week and a half since I've surfed, so this is gonna be epic. And we are meeting up with an absolute East Coast legend. I'm so stoked for this session. I don't know if we're gonna see him surf, but I'm just super hyped for this session, and I have a feeling it's gonna be a great time.
You made it.
Hell yeah.
This isn't your first Slammo, is it?
This is my first Slammo session. Oh. Yeah.
Wow. Lucas Hildreth, he's conquered Iceland. He's conquered the ER, but he hasn't conquered Slammo.
I don't know. It might be above my pay grade. We'll see.
Slammo proper isn't quite doing it today. Good thing is we got options. We got Slammo proper, far bar, the bounce, 7th reef. Main beach is the one today. So stoked you made it.
Yeah, to the 3 mile miracle. I was looking at El Refracto and everything on the way up, being like, oh, I gotta come back on a proper swell.
It's the one. Just working with the 8.0 tidal bore mud covered dream stick.
I heard it's got some nice double barrel concaves on there.
This will get you through the summer.
Instead of board tag, just like built in there. That's
I
pretty
checked
sick.
it. I just checked it like that.
We are scoring right now. I'm actually hyped. You don't know how bad it's been in Baltimore. There's no waves there. Let's go.
It's like the endless summer.
Yeah.
Heavy out here. Ah! Had to have been 2 minutes.
Too heavy out here. We need a float suit.
Filmer went down hard. We can peek at that aspect of the miracle over there. So far today, very believable, not so much miraculous. If you want to go rogue, you should take this and try to get the one in the middle of the inlet. There's a wave across the way. Will maybe be like a miniature peeler.
We got session 1 down with Ben, and now we are trying to surf a new wave, the infamous El Slammo right here. Should be good. Right now we are on to the next spot. Ben hit us up with an epic little novelty sesh. So if we're gonna be down here in his zone, I think we gotta go surf the waves he recommends. So we're fired up and let's do it.
He's up before down, gently kisses her hair.
It's absolutely epic being out here and surfing all these new waves in a totally new spot of New Jersey. During this trauma rotation, I've been doing one thing on my off days, which is life maxing. I've been trying to get sleep, but also do a ton of awesome fun stuff and make my life feel super long and like there was a lot of action and not waste the summer.
He pushes his truck down the driveway so not to wake her while she's lying there. He fires it up, hits the lights, and drives out on into the haze. Don't try to explain, it's the call of the wave. He gets to the beach as the night clouds give way. At the first sighting of the horizon, he paddles out and slides into a wave. The water's so cold on his face, but the feeling's the one that he craves. Don't try to explain, it's the call of the wave. The call of the wave is screaming right into his soul. When the call comes, it can't be denied. You hear it and it takes
Yeah, no worries. How are we going? Alright guys, that is going to be the last wave here in this zone of New Jersey. Today was so epic. Literally got off a 24-hour shift and then we zoomed down here. Only on like 3 to 4 hours of sleep right now, but this is absolutely epic. Felt like it's caught 100 waves. What a good day. We are so stoked. Had so much fun here. Huge thanks to Ben for putting me up for the night, and we got one night and we got to head back tomorrow, get prepared for another 26-hour shift. So if this is all she wrote, we will see you on the next swell. Dude, what do you think of this meal prepping?
It's legit.
It's a lifestyle.
What is that, just straight up turkey?
It's Costco chicken,
You're a happy
rotisserie. It's like $5.99 for a whole chicken.
for that whole thing?
No, this is like half of it. I ate the other half already.
Would you like to put it in the fridge?
Yeah, that's what I was hoping. Thank you. What's the call right now?
We're just checking it. We're making sure that the session is going to be as heavy as we predicted it to be, which right now, 1.8 at 7 south-southeast.
That can be money.
5 mile an hour wind though, west-northwest. That's really going to put us in a situation where The kilojoules are at 12.
Don't sleep on those 12 kilojoules, each one of those.
So I think we're gonna have to go to Slammo and claim it pretty heavily.
Dude, you just got stockpiled quivers everywhere. I love it.
Yeah, dude. Well, I'm having that contest on Saturday. I'm stocked up for the Groms. I think we got a 7 and a 9, dude.
What do you recommend?
I'm gonna bring them both because we might need them.
Let's do it.
12 kJs out there.
Dude, there's 12 kilojoules. They'll hold you down.
So you ripped that same setup for a long drive?
Yeah. All right, young Groms, we got an absolutely epic solo session at El Slammo yesterday, but today we're gonna surf it with the OG himself. I'm so fired up, and we got a whole quiver on the roof, so let's do this thing. All right, he's claiming it's a low tide wave right now. He's claiming he's done the sand recon.
Place has changed, dude. $40 million houses and actual concrete walkways.
Dude, did the town reimburse you, at least for making it a little nicer?
Remember when I was pulling the metal up?
Dude, I heard the neighbors are pissed because you increased the rent. The rent went up, property values increased.
See that right there? That's the point that the wave forms off for Skeleton Bay. Nowhere, huh? Right in the middle. Ooh. Like off this side. The guy the old dude that built the wave pool.
Look at that, it's slabbing.
Yeah, wait till it hits the inside. John went right, Nate went left.
We're out there.
There's cylindrical hammers to be had in here.
Some days all my friends are somewhere
Maybe.
far away,
Maybe.
Someday you will find out I can never be with you. I'll never be with you.
Outside's cooking, but the inside's cranking. Gotta know where to be. Gotta know where to be. Skelly's breaking like 2017.
Showing up, and I'm not showing off, just off playing shows. People fucking lose it because I'm mixing rap and rock and roll, and this is fully optional, but I ain't fucking popular. You want to see my YouTube views, you're gonna need binoculars. With hip hop, I'm an octopus guitar, I'm a fucking scrub, and I ain't in this shit for anything but fucking rock and roll.
Oh, the info's there!
This shit don't make me cool.
Oh, it's wedging! This one's proper town! Might have just gone thummy right there. Might have just gone thummy.
My fucking feet, but I don't fuck with posers. I'm fucking over it, you know. It's real cause I wrote this through my soberness, and if you're over it too, and feel how I feel, to come and clap me up because you know the fucking deal and it's real. Some days all my friends are somewhere far away, and I'm someplace not really knowing what to hold on to. Just me in this empty, lonely, smoked out hotel room. Someday you'll finally know that I can't be with
The next
you.
one. Oh, it's got a chip in. Oh, the inner double up. Dude, we're on an inner double up. All right, young Groms, we're out here with Ben Gravy in the middle of the cove. We are solving the U.S. medical system issues right now. We got a lot of big beliefs.
No debt for doctors.
No debt for doctors, endless novelty waves, and some El Slammo chip-ins. I think that's how we fix it all.
See this little thing here? When a set comes, this is going to be nuts. We're right on the money.
We're here. There's a underground shoal. We're out here. Oh, we're gonna get it! Oh, refracto! chipping. Get to the loop. Get to the loop. Dude, thanks, brother.
See you after your 26-hour shift.
Thank you, Ben, so much for putting me out.
Too easy.
Making it happen on like 44 hours off. It's so epic. And yeah, we're on to the next spot.
And the wave showed up.
Dude, the wave showed up. El Slammo went down.
Cylindrical.
Dude, I'm claiming best El Slammo in 2 years. Big claim.
Far from true, but true from afar.
Sick. Thanks, brother.